quick tip on a transit. I noticed this when I brought it in from the rain in the garage. Open the hood, start taking the coils out, and there's water dripping out of the cowl. Right here, look up on top, cowl was full of water. There's actually a drain. There's one, and a little gutter. Drains the water down into the fender. Same thing on the driver's side. Little gutter, drain hole, runs down into the fender. Well, the drains were clogged on both sides. Water was dripping out of here, straight onto the ignition coil. Now, that may be the cause of my cylinder 1 misfire. I'm putting the spark plugs in anyway. But keep an eye out for that. Make sure your drains are clear.